Happy Homebrew Wednesday, everybody. This is Scott from Half Bath Brewing. I guess this is my second Homebrew Wednesday. My last one was 2 years ago. But haven't brewed since prior to this past weekend. I haven't brewed since December of 2016, so been on a bit of a hiatus. So a week and a half ago, I brewed a chocolate porter, 10 gallons of it. I'm gonna split into two separate 5-gallon kegs and put it on. Half of it will go on Montmorency cherries, and the other half will just be a chocolate porter. This week I have been doing some upgrades to the brewery. Excited to show those to you guys. Today I got some new stuff in from SS Brewtech. Got the new 3/8 horsepower glycol chiller, and this thing is massive. I totally underestimated the size of it, so it doesn't really fit in the Half Bath Brewery. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put it, but hopefully I'll have a video on that up this week. And then here is some unboxing footage. I'm not sure how good it'll be. Got a few deliveries from SS Brewtech today. Looks like this black box is my new Keg Cleaner, which means this little box must be the neoprene sleeve and quick disconnect setup for the glycol chiller. And this must be the new 3/8 horsepower glycol chiller. So we've got a quick start guide, controller, pump, a much bigger power adapter, and looks like the heat mat that goes on the bottom of the cone. Okay. Set that over here out of the way. Then we got the little tray, which my last one didn't come with because they came up with it after I ordered the Chronicle. I had the 14-gallon Chronicle BME, and so this sits there and holds the controller. Nice. So got some hose clamps, more hose clamps, the new quick disconnects, some Velcro strips, more clamps, and 10-foot neoprene sleeve. And then quick disconnects are supposed to pop open, and then they automatically seal so there's no dripping. Nice. Alright, we got the keg washer, quick start guide, giant piece of styrofoam. There's a metal stand with some tubing, stainless steel stand. Oh, I thought this was hard plastic. This feels like silicone, goes on top here. Another piece of silicone tubing, another piece of styrofoam, and then all the goodies, including a pump and this massive power supply and some quick disconnects. So we will do a separate video on that later. And then I've got some really nasty kegs that I need cleaned, and we'll see how well it gets the job done. Alright, that's what I've been waiting for right here. Oh wow. Okay. So scoot that back there. So this thing is massive. I thought it was way smaller. So this is metal. Ooh, very sharp edges. Not on a hinge. So that comes off. There's one of these on the other side. There is a box in here. Oh, let me put this down and I'll grab the camera. Alright, so it looks like this box was originally zip tied to the lines here, and it was moving around during shipping. Came undone. Hopefully no damage is done there. It's got these nifty handles on the side so we can grab it and move it around. Alright. Well, I look forward to getting this out of the box and set up, because I have a beer that I would like to cold crash tonight. Alright, so this is the glycol chiller. It is massive. Like I said, it's got two of these little clips. They're not very tight, so if I put it on there, so you can see how loose it is. It's not tight at all. There's another one in the back. And then the lid comes off, and it's a 10-gallon capacity. So I gotta fill it with some glycol and some distilled water. I'm gonna do that shortly. Currently I've got the Chronicle pumped into the cooler there. I got really tired of keeping the ice going, so I ordered one of these. I'm gonna fire that up here in a little bit and cold crash the porter, and then hopefully on Friday I will keg it. Alright. Maybe next time I'll have a homebrew in my hand. Everybody have a happy Homebrew Wednesday.